American author Ryan Holiday's Ego is the Enemy is a powerful book that challenges the idea that ego is essential for success. Instead, it argues that ego, our exaggerated sense of self-importance, is one of the greatest obstacles to personal and professional growth. By using historical examples, philosophical teachings and real-life case studies, Holiday demonstrates how unchecked ego leads to arrogance, poor decision-making, and eventual failure. The book is divided into 3 sections that represent different phases of life: aspire, success, and failure. Each stage explores how ego can either block progress or, if controlled, lead to long-term achievement. Part 1. Aspire. The ego prevents growth. Aspiration is the stage where we dream of achieving great things. However, many people let ego take over before they have truly mastered their craft. Instead of focusing on learning, they chase validation, recognition, and praise. Key lessons from Aspire. 1. Be a student first, always. Many ambitious people believe they already know everything, which stops them from learning. The best way to grow is to adopt a student mindset, where you constantly seek new knowledge. 2. Talk less, do more. Instead of boasting about your future success, put in the work. Ego loves to seek attention, but true success comes from effort, not words. 3. Embrace the process, not the outcome. Many people become obsessed with achieving success quickly, but mastery takes time, patience, and hard work. Focus on the journey, not just the end goal. Real-life examples. General William Tecumseh Sherman. He avoided self-promotion and focused on his craft, which led him to become one of the greatest military leaders in American history. Howard Hughes, a negative example, a talented businessman who let his ego take over, causing him to make reckless decisions and ultimately leading to his downfall. Life-changing quotes. Impressing people is utterly different from being truly impressive. Those who know do not speak, those who speak do not know. Lao Tzu. Part 2. Success. The ego destroys progress. Reaching success is challenging, but staying successful is even harder. Many people who achieve their goals allow ego to take over, which blinds them to weaknesses, makes them resistant to feedback, and prevents further growth. Key lessons from success. 1. Stay humble, even at the top. Just because you've achieved success doesn't mean you should stop learning. The moment you think you've made it, you stop growing. 2. Surround yourself with truth-tellers, not flatterers. Many successful people surround themselves with yes men, who only tell them what they want to hear. This is dangerous. You need people who give you honest feedback. 3. Control your emotions and avoid arrogance. Ego makes people overconfident, leading to poor decision-making. Stay rational, grounded, and always seek the truth instead of believing your own hype. Real-life examples. Bill Belichick, one of the greatest football coaches, he never lets success get to his head. He constantly evolves, learns, and adapts. Napoleon Bonaparte, a negative example, his ego made him believe he was invincible, which led to disastrous military decisions and his eventual downfall. Life-changing quotes. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. Richard Feynman. You can't learn if you think you already know. Part 3. Failure. The ego makes it worse. Failure is inevitable in life. However, ego makes failure even more painful because it refuses to accept responsibility. Instead of learning from mistakes, people with inflated egos blame others, make excuses, and refuse to change. Key lessons from failure. 1. Accept responsibility for your failures. Many people let their egos make excuses for failure. Instead, own your mistakes and learn from them. 2. Failure is not the end, it's a lesson. The best leaders and innovators use failure as a stepping stone to future success. They analyze what went wrong and improve. 3. Rebuild with humility. Don't let failure define you. Instead of feeling bitter, start again with a beginner's mindset and work your way back up. Real-life examples. Ulysses S. Grant, after failing in business and being dismissed from the military, he reinvented himself and later became one of the greatest US presidents. John DeLorean, a negative example, a talented engineer who let his ego drive him into reckless business decisions, ultimately leading to his downfall. Life-changing quotes: failure shows us the way, by showing us what isn't the way. Almost always, your road to victory goes through failure. How this book can lead to personal success: 1. It develops self-awareness. Recognizing ego in your thoughts and actions helps you stay grounded and open to growth. 2. It promotes lifelong learning. Success isn't about proving you're the best but about constantly improving yourself. 3. It encourages action over words. Instead of boasting about your dreams, focus on working hard to achieve them. 4. It teaches the power of humility. Humility allows you to keep progressing even after achieving success. 5. It helps you handle failure wisely. Instead of letting failure break you, use it as a stepping stone to future success. Final thoughts: Why Ego is the Enemy is a life-changing book. Ryan Holiday's book is a must-read for anyone who wants to achieve lasting success in life, business, or any field. It teaches that ego is the silent killer of ambition. It makes people stop learning, become arrogant in success, and bitter in failure. The most successful people in history have been those who kept their egos in check and stayed focused on constant improvement. Who should read this book? Entrepreneurs, to avoid the arrogance that destroys businesses. Athletes and artists, to stay disciplined and focused on mastery. Students and professionals, to develop a strong work ethic and lifelong learning. Anyone struggling with failure, to rebuild with humility and perseverance. By rejecting ego and embracing humility, patience, and hard work, you can achieve true success that lasts. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find any good content in this video, please like and subscribe the channel.